Okay, second graders, today we are going to do two-part story problems. Okay, let's look up here. Let's see if we understand. Bob picked 5 flowers and then 5 more. How many flowers does he have? Then he gave 2 flowers to Buzz. How many flowers are left? So we're going to use this first part and we're going to start with that. It's asking how many does he have? So we want to know how many has all together. So we're going to start with addition. So we're going to do 5 plus 5, and that equals 10. Then we're going to take this number and use it in the second part, where it says he gave 2 of those flowers to Buzz. How many flowers are left? If he gives them away, that means we're going to subtract. So we're going to take the answer to the first part, 10, and we're going to subtract those 2 flowers to see how many flowers he has left now. 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2 equals 8. So our answer is 8. If we look at this part up here, we'll see that's what they did. Okay, so they did 5 plus 5. If you look right here, because that's how many flowers he had to start with. And then they took the 10 from how many flowers Bob had, and they subtracted 2 of those flowers to see how many they have left. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. Then you can look back and check. You used doubles to add, and you subtracted the 2 from the 10 to get 8. So let's go ahead. I'm going to zoom back in so that we can do numbers 1 and 2 together. I'll have you try 3 and 4 on your own. Remember, you're not doing the front. Okay, number 1, they did the first part for us, but let's just double check and walk through it. So it says, write the number sentence to solve both parts, because it's 2-part problems. Number 1, Carmen found 4 shells on Monday and 5 more on Tuesday. How many shells does Carmen have? So since we want to know how many shells they have, we know they found 4 on Monday and 5 on Tuesday, so we're going to add 4 plus 5 to see how many they have in all. That circle is where you put the minus or the plus sign. 4 plus 5, that equals 9. So we know they had 9 shells. If Carmen finds 6 more on Wednesday, how many shells will she have then? Okay, so this is what we're going to look at. We're going to take the answer from this problem, and we're going to use it in this problem down here. So let's go back to this part right here and let's read it to see if we need to add the 9 and the 6 or if we need to subtract. If Carmen finds 6 more on Wednesday, how many shells will she have then? So more, that means more. Getting more, we need to get bigger. So we're going to add, use the plus sign. So we're going to use 9 plus 6 to see how many shells she has if she finds 6 more on Wednesday. So 9 plus 6. I'm adding now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My answer is 15. So she will find 15 shells if she finds 4 on Monday, 5 on Tuesday, and then 6 more on Wednesday. My answer is 15. Okay, number 2. Remember, this is a 2-part problem. We're using the answer from here to solve down here. Mel had 16 berries. Ooh, you can't see that. 16 berries. He gave 8 berries to Mia. How many berries does he have left? Okay, what words give me a clue if I'm going to add or subtract? Oh, I see gave, so that means we're giving them away, so we're not going to keep them. It's not going to get bigger. And have left, so we're going to subtract. You always start a subtraction sentence with the biggest number. Well, my biggest number is 16. Minus, I'm subtracting. 16 minus 8 equals blank. I'm going to catch and count, or I'm going to know that that's a doubles fact. So the answer is going to be the double. But I'm going to catch and count. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. My answer is 8. All right, now we're not done. You got to do the second part right here. So we're going to use 8 from the answer here down here. If Mel gives 4 more berries away, how many will he have then? Okay, so I know I'm going to use 4 over here. Now am I going to add or subtract the 8? Well, if he's giving away, I know I'm going to subtract. So 8 minus 4, that equals 4. Alright, go to the next page, and that's where you will work on your own. Okay, here's your directions. I'm going to highlight them. Write the number sentence to solve both parts. Number 3, Buzz saw 6 frogs on a lily pad and 8 frogs in the mud. How many frogs did Buzz see? So we want to know how many frogs. He already saw 8 and 6. Are we going to add or subtract? If we're how many frogs in all? And then, so that's in all, that's add. And then we're going to use the answer from here to solve this problem down here. If 7 frogs hop away, how many will be left? Number 4, there are 13 birds in a tree. 6 birds are red, the rest are brown. How many birds are brown? Well, we already know that 13 are in the tree, and we know that 6 are red. I want to know how many are brown, so I'm going to subtract. Use the answer here to solve down here, please. It says if 8 more birds come, how many brown birds will there be in all? There's your keyword. We're going to add or subtract. Number 5 is a little tricky. So 3 plus square equals 10. We want to know what that square should equal. I'm going to catch 3 because this is a missing part problem and count up to 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do I have up? That's right, 7. I want you to do the same for the triangle. Tell me what the triangle equals. Catch 10 and count up to 18. Okay, at the back, solve the problems below. Number 6, 4 children are walking by the pond. 4 adults go with them. How many people are walking in all? Oh, there's that key word, in all, or those key words to tell you if you're going to add or subtract. Then 5 more adults join the walkers. How many people are walking now? If they join, number's getting bigger, so are you going to add or subtract? Number 7, Bill caught 12 fish and threw 6 back. How many fish did Bill have then? So if he has 12 and he throws 6 back, how many does he have? And then here's the second part. He catches 8 more fish. How many fish does he have now? Mark the number sentence that matches the story. 8, you can cross off. Alright, turn this into the turning basket when you're done, and then you're going to front row. No, you are not going to Epic Books. Front row.